Hello everyone, I am Manoj Ravishkar and welcome to my portfolio. Okay, in this I am going to show you my about skills project services, my services and assignment gallery and how you can contact me. I have designed my portfolio to be clean, clear, modern and user friendly. I have made this easy to use for every device. Just as an example, look at this. Okay, you can see a clear difference when you look at on a mobile phone. Okay, you can see it very well from the navigation bar. This is navigation bar. Okay, let's see what I used to make this next time. Okay, this is more than just so it's a reflection of my journey, my skills and my project I worked on. I used HTML, CSS, JS to make this. Access folder. The access folder contains document and images. Document folder contain this favicon and my CV. My photo. My photo contains all images. Okay. This is my HTML code. Okay. And this is my JavaScript code, JS code. Okay. This is my style CSS codes. Okay, so I think you might have gotten an idea from me about this. Thank you.